climate change is now affecting every country on every continent. It is disrupting national economies and affecting life, causing people, communities, and countries daily today, and even more tomorrow.
People are experiencing the significant impacts of climate change, which include changing weather patterns, rising sea level, and more extreme weather events. The greenhouse gas emissions from human activities are driving climate change and continue to rise. They are now at their highest level in history. Without action, the world's average surface temperature is projected to rise over the 21st century and is likely to surpass 3 degrees Celsius this century. With some areas of the world expected to warm even more, the poorest and most vulnerable people are being affected the most.
What's the goal here? Taking urgent action to tackle climate change and its impacts.
What happens if we don't take action? If we leave unchecked, climate change will undo us of the pocket. Made over the past year in development, it can also exacerbate, as we are already seeing, certain threats such as food and water security, which can lead to conflict. Doing nothing will end up causing us a lot of more than. If we take action now, that will lead to more jobs, greater possibility, and better life for all while reducing greenhouse gas emissions and building climate resilience.
What can I do to help achieve this goal?
Level 1. Things you can do from your couch. Example, save electricity by plugging appliances into a power strip and turning them off completely when not in use, including your computer.
Level 2. Things you can do at home. Example, recycling paper, plastic, glass, and aluminum. Keeps landfills from growing.
Level 3. Things you can do outside your house. Example, use a refillable water bottle and coffee cup. Cut down on waste and maybe even save money at the coffee shop.
Paris Agreement. People are experiencing the significant impacts of climate change, which include changing weather patterns, rising sea level, and more extreme weather events. The greenhouse gas emissions from human activities are driving climate change and continue to rise. They are now at their highest level in history. Without action, the world's average surface temperature is projected to rise over the 21st century and is likely to surpass 3 degrees Celsius this century, with some areas of the world expected to warm even more. The poorest and more vulnerable people are being affected the most.
But climate change is a global challenge that does not respect national borders. Emissions anywhere affect people everywhere. It is an issue that requires solutions that need to be coordinated at the international level, and it requires international cooperation to help developing countries move toward a low-carbon economy.
To address climate change, countries adopted the Paris Agreement at the COP21 in Paris on December 2015. The agreement entered into force less than a year later. In the agreement, all countries agreed to work to limit global temperature rise to well below 2 degrees Celsius and prevent the Great Disease for 1.5 degrees Celsius.
For example, lessons from the environmental SDG fund of strengthening the relations of families and vulnerable of families and vulnerable groups affected by drought in Santiago de Cuba.
Santiago de Cuba province is experiencing a drought that has worsened steadily since early 2015. Water supply sources are buried at 27.5% of their capacity, and the one in the city of Santiago de Cuba, with 500,000 inhabitants, only retains 15.8%. Santiago de Cuba province is also one of the most vulnerable areas in food security and nutrition that have suffered further negative impact due to the Chalongrat